Now, in order to find correlation coefficient R when x bar y bar are in fraction and values of x and y are large. So basically there are 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit numbers, okay? Or they are in fractions themselves, okay? That is also possible, that values of x or values of y and values of y are in a fraction. So in that case, we have to use this third formula. Okay. Now, as you know, the first step is we always find the mean x bar and y bar. Now, since values of x and y are big, what we do is we convert x into u and y into v. How do we do that? So u is equal to x minus a. A is a assume mean. Now I have seen that students don't select proper assume mean, and because of that, what happens? Their calculations, they make calculation mistake because assume mean is generally to be taken a number which is nearer to mean. So, for example, if you are getting 29.5, then you take 30 as assume mean, but then you don't take 40 as assume mean or 20 as assume mean. Okay, if you take, answer will be correct, but calculation may become complex. So generally we take a number which is nearer to the mean. That is generally okay for ease of doing the sum. Upon c of x and v is equal to y minus b upon c of y. Now, so x and y you convert into u and v, where a comma b are assumed mean. Please write this once again. And c of x comma c of y are common divisible numbers. So for example, x is multiple of 100, so common divisible number will be 100. Y is multiple of 5, so common divisible number will be 5. So your x gets converted into u and y gets converted into v. Now let's write the formula. Formula is R is equal to n sigma. Instead of x, we have u. Instead of y, we have v minus sigma u into sigma v upon under root n sigma u square minus sigma u the whole square under root n sigma v square minus sigma v the whole square. So now you have to remember the formula, and formula decides the column. So here you will get sigma u, here you will get sigma v. Then you have to find out u into v, u square and v square. So what you get is you get sigma u v, sigma u square and sigma v square. So this is how you have to solve the sums where numbers are large, mean is in fraction, or it may happen that values of x and y are also in fraction. Understood this? So please write this formula. Okay, now let me just copy the illustration. You can start writing the question doing. You just find the mean. Okay. Now, illustration 12. In order to study the relation between the sales in crore rupees and profit in thousand rupees, तो sales और profit का रिश्ता हम यहाँ पे study करने वाले. So obviously our commonsensical mind says that sales increase, profit increase, but we need to prove what is the strength of relationship over here in this question. For a tire manufacturing company, the following information is obtained for the last year. Sales, crore X, profit, thousands Y. Okay, so let's write the number 1.6. You can see the numbers themselves are in fraction 2.2, 1.9, 2.0, 2.3, 1.7, 2.4, 1.8, and 2.1. So Y 6200, 60, 6100, 4900, 5900, 5000, 6700. Okay. Total comes to 18. Total comes to 50,500. Please check and confirm. Okay, now let's find out mean first. X bar is equal to sigma xi upon n, which is 18 upon. Now, what are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is equal to 2. Y bar is equal to 50,500 upon 9. Keep calculators with you. So 5611.11. Now, as you can see, this is in fraction. Now, in case it is in fraction, you will never go for xi minus x bar, yi minus y bar, because calculation will become more complex. Now, since mean is in fraction, the values are also quite big over here. So we have to convert x to u. So let's write u is equal to xi minus. Now, assuming over here, we can take directly 2 upon. Now, you can see over here there are fractions. So, how do we eliminate fraction? Dhyan do, please. So, what we will do is, I'll just come on the side and I will divide this by 0.1. Now, dhyan do, please. Say, for example, x is 1.6 and u is equal to x minus 2 upon 0.1. So how we will solve this? It is 1.6 minus 2 upon 0.1, which is equal to minus 0.4 upon 0.1, which is equal to minus 4. So ऐसे करके we eliminate fraction. Another way of doing it is, please pay attention, u is equal to x minus 2 upon 1 by 10. Now, when it is upon 1 by 10, ये 10 फिर ऊपर आ जाएगा, so it will become 10 into x minus 2. So very simple again, 1.6 minus 2 into 10, which is equal to minus 0.4 into 10, which is equal to minus 4. So you can take either 1 upon 10 or you can take 0.1. Is this clear, all of you? Okay, because we don't want fractions, it will unnecessarily complicate the sum. So now, dhyan do please. So here, you please write a is equal to 2 and c of x is equal to 1 by 10. I'm writing 1 by 10 so that you understand 1 by 10 is same as 0.1. Now, over here, v. So v is equal to y minus. Now ध्यान दो, assuming क्या लेंगे? 5611. 5611. So we'll take a number nearer to the mean, generally multiple of 10 or 100 over here. So I'll take 5500 upon. Now all of these numbers in the y column are multiple of 100. तुमने देखा सब में 2000 common है. So upon 100. So a is equal to 5500 and c of y is equal to 100. So now we have u, we have v. Okay, so first let's find out u and v. Please write this. Now come over here. 1.6 minus 2. You can also use your calculator if you are getting confused into this. So 1.6 minus 2 is minus 0.4. So it will be by 10. So minus 4. 2.2 minus 2 is 0.2 divided by 0.1 is plus 2. No, a student has asked a doubt that, sir, do we need to take assume mean from the value of y given? No, it is not necessary. Okay, if you take, that is fine. If you don't take, that is also fine. But generally, we take a number nearer to the mean. Okay. Now, 6,000, 1.9 minus 2 is minus 0.1 divided by 10. So minus 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 2.3, so plus 3. 1.7, so minus 3. 2.4, so plus 4. 1.8, so minus 2. And 2.1, so plus 1. So over here, because xi minus 2 is your assuming, it is also mean. So sum of deviation from the observation from the mean should always be equal to 0. Let's check out. Yes, it is 0. So our calculations are correct. Now ये कब होता है? जब xi minus ये जो number है assume mean, if that is same as mean, then only. Okay, हर बार नहीं आता ऐसा. तुम बाजू वाले में देखोगे y में तो 0 नहीं आएगा because mean is 5611 and here we have taken 5500. So let's go over here. 4200 minus 5500. So directly 42 minus 55. So minus 13. 5500 minus 5500, 0. 6000. So 5. 6200. So 7. 6100. So 6. 4900. So minus 6. Then 5900. So plus 4. 5000. So minus 5. And 6700. So plus 12. Let's take the total. What's the total you all are getting? Can someone tell me the total?
0.
Now,
1.
wrong. You are looking into the textbook and giving the answer, sweetheart. In the
Sir,
text,
10.
assume mean is 5600, but sweetheart, we have taken 5500.
10.
Sir,
Yes,
10.
yes, that's correct. तो अभी भी लोग कॉपी मार रहे हैं. चलो बढ़िया प्रैक्टिस है. ओके, पर मत करो, उससे कोई ज्यादा फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, so 10 is the answer. I have taken different assume mean from what is given in the textbook. So please ध्यान दो, कॉपा मत मारो टेक्स्ट बुक में से. Now, sigma u मिल गया, sigma v मिल गया. अब we write the formula. Formula is R is equal to n sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v upon under root n sigma u square minus sigma u the whole square under root n sigma v square minus sigma v the whole square. So अब हमारे पास सिग्मा u सिग्मा v तो है, but we also want to find out uv. We write uv. It is small uv, okay. Then you have u square and we have v square. U square, v square. Now u into v. Please do calculations on your own to gain confidence. 52, 0, minus 5. Many students make mistake over here in UV because of the negative sign. So please be careful. Please be careful. ओके यहाँ पे जब माइनस साइन वाला कहीं पे भी कुछ भी आता है तो एक्स्ट्रा ध्यान देना so that calculations गलत नहीं हो. Such sums can come in exam for 5 marks. Now you can see 3 into 6 positive 18 and minus 3 into minus 6 also 18. 4 fours are 16. Minus 2 into minus 5 is plus 10 and 1 into 12 is 12.
Total is 16.
Total is
62.
62. I don't think so.
Sir, 1 to 1.
121.
121 is correct. Is 52 is positive. Okay. U square, now square always is going to be positive, so don't have to worry. 16, 4, 1, 0, 9, 9, 16, 4, 1. And V square, 13, so 169, 0, 25, 49, 36, 36, 16, 25, 144. Yeah, tell me the total.
500.
500.
100. Perfect. Very good. So now we have all of them. We have sigma u, sigma v, sigma uv, sigma u square, and sigma v square. So let's substitute. Okay. Meanwhile, किसी को कोई doubt इसमें, any value, anything you did not understand? All of you, now you understood where you have to be careful. U or V, you have to be extra careful, and U multiply by V. Also, you have to be extra careful because there can be negative sign also, which can cause disturbance and turbulence for getting the right answer. Now, let's put all the values and close the sum. R is equal to N is 9. So always write in bracket sigma UV. So 121 minus sigma U is 0 into sigma V is 10 whole upon under root of 9 into sigma U square 60 minus sigma U 0 the whole square under root 9 into 500 minus sigma v 10 the whole square, which is equal to 1089 upon under root 9 into 60 540 under root 540 under root 4500 minus 100, which is 4400, which is equal to, now use calculator, 4400 into 540 is equal to 2376000 under root divide equal to into 1089, which is equal to 0.7064. So 0.71 आंसर कैसे आया ये कैल्सीपेट इज 0.70648. So if we round off to two decimal places, it will be 0.71.
સર સર કઈ ખબર ના
એમાં ખબર ના પડી લાસ્ટ માં
હા સર લાસ્ટ માં કેવી રીતે આવ્યો
આન્સર આયા 0.70.
સર નહીં આવે પહેલાથી કરો ને લાસ્ટ વાળું
कैलकुलेटर पर तू पहला कर 540
540
into 4400.
into 4400
What did you get?
2376000
Spot on, very good. Under root press कर.
હા કર્યું
શું આવ્યું?
1541.4279
Divide press कर.
સોરી કઈ ખબર ના પડી
Divide press कर.
હા કર્યું
Equal to press कर.
કર્યું
શું આવ્યું?
0.0006484
into
into
numerator માં કેટલું આપ્યું છે?
1089
કરો into 1089.
is equal
How much you got?
0.70
706.
હા 706
Got it now?
yes
Right. Now, question number 10, page number 48, exercise, page number, 84, exercise 2.2. The following data are given to study the relation between number of person in a family who drive vehicle and usage of petrol in liters per week. Now, number of members per family who drive vehicle are given to us. Weekly usage of petrol is also given, but it is in fraction. So let's not be afraid right now of fraction. Let's write the question, find mean and see which formula to be applied, find correlation coefficient between number of members in a family and usage of petrol. So first let's write the question. 3524361. 11.5, 21, 14.5, 15.5, then 7, then 22.5, and then 10. Lots of variation out here. Okay, we'll deal with it. First, let's find the mean. Because I'm doing it in Excel, I have this comfort of using formulas. Okay, you don't have it. तो तुम्हें manually ही करना है. Okay, now let's find the mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 set of observation. So x bar is equal to sigma xi upon n is equal to 24 by 7, which is equal to 3.428. So 3.43. Again, this is in fraction. Sad. Y bar is equal to sigma yi upon n, which is equal to 102 upon 7, which is equal to 14.57. So again, this is also in fraction. Now, here you may say that, sir, because values are small, why can't we go for directly x or y, x, y, and x square, y square? Yes, you can definitely do that. But dear students, in the columns of y, the observations are in fraction. So there will be lots of decimal and all. So doing total and all may become complex for you. Okay, if you use, I don't think there should be a problem, but better avoid fractions. Okay, so here let's find out u and v. So we take u is equal to x minus 3.43. So let's take 3, okay, as assuming upon. We can divide all by 1 because 1 is the common divisible number. So a is equal to 3 and c of x is equal to 1. B is equal to y minus 14.57. So you can take either 14.5 also because fractions है और एक number भी है यहाँ पे 14.5. But no, sir, we don't like fractions. So you take 15, divide by. All here, many are in fraction. So what should we do now? Upon what? Upon
0.1.
upon we can divide all by 0.5 also, 1 by 2. Let's check. 11.5 minus 15 divide by 0.5. Yes. So here we will take 0.5 as the common divisible number. So here we take upon 0.5. So B is equal to 15 and C of Y is equal to 0.5. Now you will say, sir, no, we don't like 0.5. We want to take 0.1. So you can take that 0.1. Okay? तुम 0.1 भी ले सकते हो. Got it? अभी तुम क्या करो, you follow the same thing what everyone is doing. Okay, when you do this sum once again as homework, you try some variation and check whether you are getting the answer or not. Is this clear? Okay, so you're right now, you please, I request you to take 0.5, because अगर आंसर नहीं आया तो तुम कंपेयर कैसे करोगे कहाँ गलती हुआ, बिकॉज क्लास में सबने अलग किया है, 0.5 किया है, तो तुम 0.5 लेके ही करो प्लीज. So over your 0.5. So now let's fatafat find out u. 3 minus 3 0, 5 minus 3 2, minus 1 1 0 3 and minus 2. So total comes to positive 3. I've already given the formula, so directly I got the total is 3. If you are using calculator and you have problem with plus and minus sign वाले को कैसे add करना sir, so first you take all the positive and then start subtracting the negative. Okay, so you take 2 plus 1 3, 3 and 3 6, 6 minus 2 4, 4 minus 1 3. Now, this is a bit tricky, so dhyan do. You use calculators, please. When you have this facility and this instrument, please use it. 11.5 minus 15 is a negative number, 3.5 divided by zero point 0.5. So you get minus 7. Now, if you would have taken zero point 0.1, ध्यान दो, if you would have taken 0.1 तो ये आ जाता 35, तो नंबर्स और भी बड़े हो जाते. तो in order to curtail that I use 0.5. Okay, then 21 minus 15 is 6 divided by 0.5, so it becomes 12. 14.5 minus 15 is 0.5 upon 0.5, so minus 1. 15.5, so plus 1. 7 minus 15 is minus 8 divided by zero point 0.5 is 16. 22.5 minus 15 is 7.5 divided by zero point 0.5. It comes to 15. And oh, just a minute, 7 minus 15 divided by zero point 0.5, it comes to minus 16. Okay?
minus
Yes, yes, minus 16. Okay, be careful, because अगर 16 लिख दिया तो आंसर पूरा गलत हो जाएगा. ओके, वैसे यहाँ पे नहीं होता बिकॉज यहाँ पे एक जीरो है, बट इट्स रॉन्ग इज रॉन्ग. ओके, टोटल गलत हो जाता. ओके, यू भी गलत नहीं होता बट सिग्मा भी गलत हो जाता, तो सही नहीं है. देन 10 then over here 10 minus 15, so it will be 10 minus 10. So 10 minus 15 divided by 0.5 minus 10. So total comes to minus 6. Now you can directly do u, v or hum, u, v, u square, v square. So uv 0, 24, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 into 1 plus 1, 0, 45 and plus 20. So 91. U square 0, 4, 1, 1, 0, 9, 4. V square 7 sevens are 49, 12, 144, 1, 1, 16, 256, 15, 225, 10, 100. So it comes to 776. Now, We have all the required values. We write the formula. R is equal to n sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v upon under root n sigma u square minus sigma u the whole square. Every time you write the formula, you recite it in your mind. Every time you write the formula, you recite it in your mind. ध्यान दो सब, so that formula याद रह जाए तुम्हें. N into sigma v square minus sigma v the whole square, which is equal to n. N is 7 into sigma uv is 91 minus sigma u is 3 into sigma v is minus 6 upon under root 7 into sigma u square is 19 minus sigma u 3 the whole square upon under root 7 into 776 minus minus 6 the whole square. So which is equal to 7 into 91, which is equal to 637 minus. Now 3 6 are 18 minus 18 minus and minus plus upon under root of 7 into 19 is equal to 133 minus 9 is 124. 7 into 776 minus 36, which is equal to 5396. Let's solve it. 637 plus 18 is 655 upon under root of 124 into under root of 5396. Solve it. 5396 into 124, 669104 under root divide is equal to into 655, which is equal to 0.8007. So directly now you can write 0.80 answer and the statement below. Now, one student has asked me a question. Now, the question is that, sir, how do we decide C of y as a 0.5? Now, see, there is no rule कि हमें ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा. We have to see the sum also. Now, यहाँ पे अगर तुम कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो, इतने मैथ्स में स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं हो कि तुम 0.5 विजुअलाइज करके ले लो, तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है. यू टेक v इज इक्वल टू y माइनस 15 अपॉन, ये तो पता है कि 0.5 है, तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली टेक 0.1. अगर कंफ्यूजन है तो ऐसे कर लो. 0.5 लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि कैलकुलेटर्स तो है. अगर नंबर्स बड़े भी आते हैं तो भी नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, यू हैव कैलकुलेटर. बट ये फ्रैक्शन लेने के लिए अगर कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है, यहाँ पे क्या था, यहाँ पे हर जगह 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 था. दैट्स व्हाई इट टुक 0.5, बिकॉज 21 is also 42 into 0.5. That is why I took 0.5. But if you are not confident at all, don't experiment, don't play around with your ultra super mathematical skills. कि नहीं नहीं अब तो करके ही रहूंगा. Then chill. Take 0.1. That is 1 upon 10. Okay? This is clear? Okay? Now, if you are through with the sum, we will do question number 11. Now, one student has asked one more doubt. Ki, sir, if it is up to 2 decimal places, then what? Then don't worry. Take, if it is 2 decimal places, like it's 3.26, then you divide by 0.01 instead of 0.1. That is 1 upon 100. If it is 3 decimal places, then what, sir? अभी कोई ऐसा भी मुझे पूछेगा. Then you take 1 upon 1000, so 0.001. So if it is point up to 1 place 1 decimal point, then you take 0.1. If 2.01, if 3.001. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's proceed to question number 11. Again, it's a sum with fraction. That's why I'm doing it live in front of you, although I have a recorded video lecture on this. Now, I hope now you understood why live sessions are very important, because video lecture में ये है, but तुम्हें अगर कोई question आता है तो I may not be in front of you to answer the queries the way I am answering right now. Okay, that's why it's great you are with UL. God bless you all. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, 1.5, 2.1, you can see fraction. So just don't be afraid of fractions. The following information is obtained to study the effect of use of fertilizer on yield of corn in a rural area. Use of fertilizer in quintal. Can anyone tell me what is a quintal? Can anyone tell me what is a quintal? जो अंधेरे में बैठे
Unit of
100 kg.
measurement.
100 kg.
Yes, very good. It is 100 kg. Please लिख लो. Index number chapter में it will come. Quintal is 100 kg. It will come in index number at that time. Again, I will ask. Got it? Quintal is 100 kg for your knowledge as of now. Now, find correlation coefficient. So let's first write the sum. X is in fraction 1.5, 2.1, 1.5, 1.1 and 1.2. Y is 60, 95, 50, 75, 45. So while you're writing the numbers also, you can make out what is common. You can see they are all multiple of 5. 75.
8.6.
Yeah, let me just confirm it. Yes, 8.6.
400.
400. Yes, very good. Now, let's first find out the mean. X bar is equal to sigma xi upon n, which is equal to 8.6 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide by 6.
1.433.
1.4333. So 1.43 you can see ये एक fraction है. Y bar is equal to sigma yi upon n, which is equal to 400 by 6. So
66.67.
yes, 466.67. So now we have X bar, now we have Y bar. So let's start and find out U and V because the numbers are in fraction, the mean are in fraction. Now over here, even the values of X is in fraction. So let's convert it into U. So U is equal to X minus 1.43. So you want to take 1.5, you want to take 1.5, you want to take 1 or you want to take 2. Let's take 1.5. Okay, तो एक 1.5 है भी तो वो 0 हो जाएगा तो things will become easier. So we all take minus 1.5. Divide by what? Can you tell me now?
0.1.
Yeah, 0.1. Very good. So A is equal to 1.5 and C of X is equal to 0.1. Now, V is equal to Y minus 66.67. So let's take 70. You can take 65.
60 ले लेता.
Let's take 65. I think 65 would be a good option. 65. Now, upon all are divisible by 5. So, upon 5, so B is equal to 65 and C of Y is equal to 5. Now, U, V, let's find out 1.5 minus 1.50, 2.1 minus 1.5, 0.6 divided by 0.1. So 6 minus 6, 0.9 and 15 is you can directly do 9 and 15 minus 6, 18 and 15 plus 3, 11 and 15 minus 4, and 12 and 15 minus 3. टोटल आ गया -4. ये टोटल 0 कब आता है? जब assume mean और mean same होता है. Please pay attention to this amazing statement I'm making because in some typical sums this concept will come. Okay, now V 60 minus 65 minus 5 upon 5 minus 1. 95 65, so it is 30 minus 5, so 6. 50 minus 3, 15 divided by 75, so plus 2. 45, so minus 4. And 75, so plus 2. Always recheck. Seems good. UV और हम UV. So we have U square, we have V square. So UV 0, 6, 6 are 36, minus 6 into minus 3, 18, 6, 16, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. U square 0, 36, 36, 9, 16, and 9. V square 1, 36, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, again 2 2s are 4. All please check the totals. If there's anything, any error, then check out. Mean you have to take Y bar as 66.66, 66.67, okay? Because 0.66 के बाद भी 6 है, तो we round off 6 to 7. Now we are ready with all the data. Let's write the formula. R is equal to n sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v upon under root n sigma u square minus sigma u the whole square under root n sigma v square minus sigma v the whole square. Every time you write the formula, recite it, even in your mind. Okay, which is equal to 6 into sigma uv is 70 minus sigma u into sigma v upon under root 6 into sigma u square is 106 minus sigma u minus 4 the whole square upon under root 6 into 70 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 7 are 42 minus. Now minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 minus plus 8 upon under root. So 6 into 106 minus 16, so 620, and 420 minus 4 is 416, which is equal to 428 upon 620 into 416. So let's solve it. 416 into 620 is equal to 257920. Under root divide equal to into 428, which is equal to 0.84275. So it is equivalent to 0.84. Answer. Now, the homework what I'll be giving you, you have to submit it tomorrow by 12 o'clock. You take the homework, I'll just give you right now.